Hello guys, welcome to agriculture tutorials. Today I am discussing about general agriculture for JRF, SRF and other exams 2021. Day after tomorrow Maharashtra Bank exam. So this agriculture profile of India 2021 few basic bits are important for upcoming examinations. That's why I am discussing about this video. Please like and share and subscribe my channel. Total geographical area of the country, basic need to know. The total geographic area of the country is 329 million hectares. Net zone area of the country 139.4 million hectares. Gross zone area of the country 200.2 million hectares. Net irrigated area in India 2021 source DAC and FW Department of Agriculture Cooperation and Farmers Welfare. Net irrigated area in India is present 68.64 million hectares. Cropping intensity of India is important bit for agronomy and other exams for net examination. Cropping intensity of India is 143.6%. Barren and uncultivable land area in the country is 19.8 million hectares. Degraded land or deforested or desertification area is 96.40 million hectares. Wasteland area in the country 55.7 million hectares. In total geographical area, wasteland area in the country is in percentage is 16.96%. Share of agriculture and allied sectors GDP during 2021 was 19.9%. Share of agriculture and allied sectors in GDP 1920 was 17.8%. Share of agriculture and allied sectors improved more than 2%. Now it is 19.9%. Gross capital formation in agriculture sector GVA gross value added during 1920 is 16.4%. The percentage of share of agriculture workers in total workers is 54.6% according to Register General of India. Percentage of rural households engaged in agriculture is 57.8% according to NSO, National Sample Survey Office. Land Use Statistics and DES 2021. Above the source of statistics I provided up to now is according to Land Use Statistics and DES. Total forest cover in India is in percentage is 24.56%. In million hectares is 80.73 million hectares. According to the source of Indian State of Forest Report 2019, this forest report biannually releasing once by Forest Survey of India FSI. State with highest forest area in the country is Madhya Pradesh, followed by Arunachal Pradesh. Top 5 states with forest cover is Mizoram, Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, Manipur and Nagaland. Sorry friends. For maintaining ecological balance, percentage of land area should under forest is 33%. For ecological balance, forest area should be in the country is 33%. The per capita forest land available in the country is 0.08%. Hectares. The basic normal requirement of forest land availability in the country is 0.47 hectare. Total bamboo bearing area of the country is 16 million hectares. The total food grain production in 1920 is 296.65 million tons. Thanking you friends. Have a nice day. Jai Hind. Please like and share and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day. Thanking you, friends. Sorry.